Hello, we are going to walk through how to find your Google Place ID if you are a service-based business that does not have a physical location or brick or mortar store. So this comes up when you are a business like mine. My business is all done outside of my home office. I do all my work remotely, so I don't actually have a location, but I do have a Google Business profile. And you can see this Google Business profile here. Now, any kind of reading you find online is going to tell you to use this Place ID Finder tool. But the problem is again, if you don't have a physical address publicly listed, this Place ID Finder tool does not work. So if I search for my business, nothing comes up. And even if I was to try to search for my location, manually, it won't come up in this Place ID Finder tool. So I found a workaround for this. And the way that you go about it is first start by opening up an incognito tab. If you don't know how to do that, while you're in your browser in the upper right, you can do an incognito window. That's in Google Chrome. Every browser has something similar to that. From there, you're going to go to Google and search for your business and get your Google Business profile to show up. After you have your business profile showing up, you're going to right-click this review button and you're going to go to Inspect. And this will open up the Code Inspector tool. And in here, we're going to search for very specific letters. So to search within here, after I've right-clicked and gone to the inspector, you can do Control F and it will open up the search bar. And then let me verify what I'm looking for. It is CHIJ is what we're looking for. So capital C, lowercase h, capital I, capital J. And it's going to take you to this section here. The best way that I found to go through this section to find the code is just to click on the section and then do Control C on your keyboard, or you can right click it and copy it manually. And then the next thing you're going to do is open up a notepad. And paste what you just copied. There's a lot of code here. Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to just search for those letters again. So I'm going to do Command Find C, lowercase h, capital I, capital J. I'm going to search that. And the first instance that you find is going to be your Place ID. So Google Place IDs start with this CHIJ. And I'm going to grab all the code between the two quotation marks. So if I copy this, one way that I can test that the code is working, and I'll share this in the description of the video, is we can paste it into this URL. So I will put this URL there, but there's this URL, and at the very end, it asks for the Place ID. So I'm going to put my Place ID there, and then you can copy this whole URL and paste it in here, and it should take you to your business on Google Maps. And that is how you find your Place ID.